ADVM1 Mechanical CAD classes.
Yeah, let's dig into the individual classes. So we got ADVM1A, CAD for Mechanical Design and Drafting 1. What you see on the screen is a screen capture of Dassault SolidWorks. On the right, you see the model. On the left, you see the technical drawing that the student has learned how to properly dimension to ASME Y14.5 standards. Okay, the modality is in person. It's no prerequisite. And we do have an enrollment advisory on here. Do not enroll in ADVM2A concurrently with ADVM1A. We use two different softwares for a good reason that are very similar. We found it's confusing for students to take the introductory class in both concurrently, but once you've learned one application, you can pick up the other very rapidly. We recommend if you're doing this pathway, you take ADVM A1 first, and then perhaps the following semester take 2A. We have two sections of 1A in the fall of 26. So we have an afternoon section that's CRN 84219 and an evening section, which is CRN 184158. The evening section starts at 5:45 p.m. Okay, the next class in the series you would take in your second semester. It is also an in-person modality. It has a prerequisite of ADVM1A, so you do need to complete that first. Then we move into ADVM1C, which is advanced CAD modeling. It's in person. And the prerequisite is ADVM1B. ADVM1B, you're going to do more complex drawings. You're going to do assembly drawings. In 1C, again, it's moving to where the future is, where you're learning how to manage complex assemblies, model very complex parts, and you're also working in a paperless environment where everything is based in the model. ADVM1D is a very popular class with engineers. We have professional engineers that come back to the community college to take this class from us. I take that as a compliment, but it is our more rigorous class. This is the only class we have in the department that is purely lecture, and it's an online modality. And currently, it will be offered in the spring. And if you're coming in the fall, you would need to take the prerequisite course ADVM1A before taking this class. We do have an enrollment advisory. It's not required, but we recommend you take ADVM1B as well before enrolling in ADVM1D. The concepts are very abstract, and the better you know traditional dimensioning processes, the better you'll be prepared to take on this class.
Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media